What is up mga ka-realms, and welcome to Divas Realm, Cards, Toys, Gospel, and Travel. At dahil po sa araw na to, araw ng Tuesday, August 11, ay magbubukas tayo ng dalawang natitira nating Cookie Run Bravers TCG, The Dark Enchantress War. Yan po, kasi nakita nyo naman po yung iba nating video, nagbukas po tayo ng isa, wala tayong nakuha, nagbukas ulit tayo ng dalawa, making it 3 packs na po, and this is the last 2 packs ng Cookie Run. Pero bago yun, syempre, purihin muna natin ng Panginoon. Sabi nga dito sa day 5 natin sa Hebrews 1:3 and Jeremiah 32:27, 10, tapos 6-7. O Lord Most High, you rule over the heavens and the earth. Yet you are also personally present, personally involved, God who loves, rescue and take care of us. Take care of all who trust you. Yan pa. Hirapan akong basa doon So, yan. Okay, dahil doon, tayo po ay magbukas na po ng ating Cookie Run TCG. Wala muna si Andre kasi nasa school. Hill, hindi na po suspended. Although, pabukso-bukso ang ulan, ay hopefully okay naman yung mga okay kayo. So, I hope and pray that everyone is safe. Lalo sa daming baha. Grabe. So okay, Scorpio Cookie, Book of Wisdom, Tinay Cookie, Red Velvet Dragon. Ganda nito And Wing 3. Okay. Wala tayong masyadong nakuhang doon, hit, but okay lang kasi we are collecting din naman, so okay lang. We were trying to create our own deck. Meron kami nakita online 6K, dalawang deck na siya plus 4 starter decks na kasama kasi wala tayong pera pambili. Okay, Macaron Cookie, Chestnut Cookie, Cake Warrior, Silver Bell Cookie, and Sea Protection. Okay, that's it for this opening ng dalawang Cookie Run Bravers. Pero syempre, bago tayo magtapos, basahan natin kayo ng inspirational talk. Sabi nga dito ni William Woodfin, the proof of Christianity is not a book but a life. The power of Christianity is not a creed but a Christian character. And wherever you see life that has been transformed by the grace of God, you see a witness to the resurrection of Jesus. So, ang mga question na pwede natin tanungin para pagbulay-bulayan ay share about a person who you never thought would become a believer but who, by the grace of God, was transformed. And kung sasagutin ko yan, me personally, never knew na magpapastor ako, never knew na magiging Christian ako na para sa Panginoon. But thank you, Lord, for the opportunity. That's it mga ka-realms. Nagbukas tayo ng dalawang Cookie Run na TCG and wala tayong hit. So maybe next opening meron na tayo. Bye-bye po. God bless and stay safe always. Again, mga ka-realms, this is Divas Realm, Cards, Toys, Gospel, and Travel. Bye-bye.